Hello again, fellow maulers. This is Ron Strange and More, back with another video here. I just thought I'd do one more video of this 1985 Chattanooga TYCO train set. I just wanted to do a video of this Ralston Purina high cube choo-choo sound boxcar by TYCO. This came out in some of the earlier Chattanooga choo-choo train sets in the 70s and 80s. You know, it was a part of a lot of their sets in the early years, the Chattanooga choo-choo sets. It had the a roller inside with the small rocks that bounce, and you know, they make contact with the track, which makes a chug-chug sound. But I just thought it'd be kind of neat to throw that in here with this 85 TYCO Chattanooga train set and let it run for a minute. Anyways, you guys enjoy the video. I'll let it run here a minute. You guys can check it out. Kind of like a box of rocks. It's pretty neat. It's, you know, it resembles a chug sound. Kind of cool behind all your HO steamers. I mean, that just screams vintage HO scale. I think it's awesome. I've always liked it myself. I think they did a baby roof too. They did that in the Ralston Purina Hill here. This one was only available as part of the Chattanooga choo-choo train sets, from what I understand, in the early years, around like 81. But I thought it'd be pretty cool to be part of this 1985 Chattanooga set also. So you guys enjoy the video and enjoy the running video here. Kind of neat. I can see how as kids, how that would become kind of annoying to parents though. I would say a lot of those went in the garbage, probably in the 70s and 80s probably. I always kind of liked it though. I think it's pretty neat. If you collect TYCO trains, it's kind of a staple, you know, in the TYCO trains era. Running a box of rocks. Well, I think the Kinder might have came off the track here. Had that happen earlier. I think I had it running too fast. I noticed if I run it slow, it don't do that. And it came off on that switch over there. Oh, it came back on. Yep, it's fine now. Kind of hard to tell with that choo-choo boxcar going there. We'll slow it down here a little bit. Well, that's a good running Kinder Drive steamer. Some of those run pretty good. Them Kinder Drives are not too bad. They pull good. guys a little slow sound of it there. Kind of annoying, honestly, but it's fun though. It's a fun car to run. Yeah, anyways, I just thought I'd show you guys this CHUG-CHUG sound Boxcar by TYCO with this 1981, or excuse me, 1985 Chattanooga TYCO train set. It didn't come with it, but it's kind of neat with it, like the earlier Chattanooga CHUG-CHUG train sets. Anyways, pretty neat. I appreciate all y'all watching, commenting, and everything. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Anyways, this is Ron's Trains and More, out.